Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BABYX 2.0 token. Ticker symbol is BABYX2. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the BABYX 2.0 token is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. It was just announced today. It says BABYX2, a meme coin on Ethereum, is coming to Mexc Global. And this token will be listed on Mexc November 2nd, 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get the BABYX 2.0 token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BABYX2, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. November 2nd, 13 hours UTC time. That's when it gets listed. If you want to get involved with a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. It says vote with MX tokens and win airdrops. You could check that out on Mexc Global's Twitter at MEXC_official. And that event is going on almost up until the listing here of this token on November 2nd. So check that out. It's an Mexc Kickstarter event. Now, the BABYX token, that one was very popular. And then, of course, in crypto, when one token's very popular, you come out with a baby or a mini or a 2.0 or a father, brother, sister, girlfriend, whatever you want. So that's what happens in crypto. I just noticed the TokenFi token, which I just did a video about recently, on pink sale. Trending number 1 today was Token 2.0. And so now we have BABYX 2.0 as well. So this token already has 1,050 holders according to their Etherscan. 9 decimal places on this token. Now, if you were looking to get this token before it gets listed on Mexc Global, you can get it off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the BABYX 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find right on their webpage, right when you open up their webpage, babyx.club. It pops up right there, real easy to find. And yeah, you can find it on there. And you may have to set slippage. We'll have a look here. There's actually a link to their Etherscan, Uniswap, all that type of stuff right on their webpage as well. They even have a CoinMarketCap link here. They're listed on CoinMarketCap, it says already. And it's up 89% today. Doing very well, this token. And has all the links also as well on their CoinMarketCap here. So yeah, you would trade your Ethereum for the BABYX 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage on Uniswap. And let's see here. They do have a DEX tools chart as well. You can check that out. And they have a total supply here. That's a lot of tokens, of course. That's a million, billion, trillion, 4 quintillion, 218 trillion tokens. So there is a massive amount of BABYX 2.0 tokens. Now, they do have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. It is at TTM_BABYX. Now, it has a lot of the other BABYX token information on their pages as well. You just have to weed through and find the BABYX 2.0 token. And yeah, it says BABYX2 is an upgraded version of BABYX with a wider impact that will reach more countries and regions. It will be more powerful. Let's go. And yeah, so it says eventually this will be listed on Gate. They just announced that 40 minutes ago as well. So that's another big central exchange. That one's only available in a few, in select countries. You know, in my country, you can't use Gate for some reason. So that happens in crypto, is some central exchanges are not allowed in certain places because of laws. So, and then it says eventually it'll be on LBANK, OKX, and Binance as well. But the very first one is Mexc Global. Then it goes to Gate, then LBANK, then OKX, then Binance. So this is very much just a meme token. You don't expect, tons of utilities to be happening with this token. They do have a Telegram here, 19,106 members on it already at BABYX2.0. That's where you could find their Telegram. And they're partners with DexScreener, DexView, Uniswap, Aave, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools. So it's they're going to have a decentralized exchange here. So it's kind of the same utilities as the BABYX token. If you guys know about the Homer token, the Simpson token, they did kind of a similar thing. Same utilities across the board, same meme token information across the board. Except they come out with the Homer 2.0 token, then the Homer 3.0 token, and so on and so on. I think it got all the way up to like Homer 6.9 thousand or something, like something crazy anyways. But yeah, so most of the information about this token is going to be on their socials. Now, if you want to check like security info on this token, they do have a Dex Tools chart, and on there, you can go over to their Dex Tools and you find that they have a 71 out of 99 trust score on there. Now they have, this is the original, for some reason they give you the original BABYX Dex Screener chart, but if that, or Dex Tools chart, but I would assume that they do it in the similar way with no taxes and whatnot. Now just be aware, if you do buy this token off of Uniswap, there is going to be, although there's no taxes, there is going to be gas fees, as opposed to Mexc Global, where there's going to be little to no gas fees. So just be aware of that. Yeah, little to no info on this token. It's got the same utilities as the original one, which is eventually they'll come out with a decentralized exchange, staking, compounding, dividend, and bonus rewards. And that's basically about it. You can earn compounding liquidity rewards from their strategic partners that they're going to introduce in the future. They're going to have a hybrid centralized and decentralized solution. But if you want to learn all about that type of stuff, I went over all that already in the original BABYX token video, so check that out. I'll try to remember to link that up here so you guys can go check that one out, because that one I go over the roadmap and utilities, but it's the same roadmap, so I'm not going to go over that again. But yeah, check this token out. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one, where the BABYX 2.0 token is being listed. It's up 89% right now, and I'm sure it's going to do okay, within the next day or two. You never know what happens with crypto but in the future. But the first one was very popular, so go check this token out. Check out the referral codes, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about BABYX and BABYX 2.0? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.